There are actually three types of array, but we'll discuss two types only as the third one is more complex and I don't want to confuse you at this stage of learning. Indexed array is an array in which we just define the values and PHP automatically allots positions to these values from 0 to end of the value. Simply remember that where you don't define keys or positions to the values is an indexed array. Let's get back to our array we created before, and you can see we just defined values and there is no key you can see. But when we observe the output using print_r, you can see every single value has a position or key attached to it, starting from 0 to so on till the end of values. This type of array is an indexed array. Associative. To understand, let's create a new array called ages. Let's just put some different values 35, 55 and 90. This is another indexed array right now. You can check it by outputting it. But let's first manually assign keys to these values 0, 1 and 2. Although these values are already bound to these keys. But let's just do it. Let's print _r and see the output. So it's same as for indexed array. Nothing has changed. Now let's change keys for each value. Let's make 7, 9 and 30 and output it. Here you can see the keys or positions are changed now, and these are according to our own desire. So this is an example of associative array. We have manually assigned keys of our own choice to the values and are not using original keys. So whenever we associate keys to the values, array becomes associative array. Now instead of numeric keys, we can put strings as well. Let's do it now. Let's set the key Ben for the value 35, Sean for 55 and Michael for 90. Let's check the output for this array now. Refresh the browser and you can see the keys have been changed to strings as we defined them. So now we can echo any value by declaring its string key. Let's try it for Ben. Here we go, 35. You can go ahead and check out all of these one by one. Just keep notice of string when you need to declare it and close it within single or double quotes, as this is a string.